Hi there, let's make this easy spongy sponge cake that only requires 6 ingredients. So let's get started. First, gradually add the sugar to the egg whites and whisk until they reach a whippy consistency. Next, mix 3 egg yolks. Followed by some vanilla essence and some melted butter. Using a sieve, sift the all-purpose flour and the baking powder into the mixture. Then gently fold the dry ingredients using a spatula. Be careful not to overmix. Fold just until there are no visible traces of flour. So the next step is to transfer the cake batter to a 6-inch cake pan and gently tap the pan on the counter to release any air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 temperature for 20 to 25 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the cake from the pan and let it cool on a rack until it reaches a room temperature. And there you go, slice some sponge cake. This delicious sponge cake will be worth made in your home. Enjoy your light and fluffy sponge cake, serve it as it is or top with your favorite frosting or fruits for an extra treat. I hope you enjoyed my today's video and see you guys next time.